Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June 25th, 2022. We're going to talk about yearn.finance to see if the market has finally bottomed in this space. Now, before I get started, welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I come through and I show you all where I think price is going to go way ahead of time so that we can be in position and profit from the move. Welcome everyone to all of my day ones. Appreciate it. Thank you all for seeing the videos, seeing the content. If you all finally see some value in what I do, if you want to be a part of my day one crew, then go ahead and join them. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out. I want to make sure that each and every one of you is one of the first ones to know where prices are going to go. All right, so look at this. Did a video in yearn.finance right here on May the 30th, 2022, right? I was giving you all a heads up. Hey, it looked like the market in yearn.finance is going to be tapping around all-time lows, and take a look at what happened. That is how we knew on May the 30th, right? Take a look. That's how we knew on May the 30th that the market may grab some support around $5,000. And that is exactly where the market closely bottomed. Like, look at that. Just take a look. This is how you are able to be consistently profitable in the market, because you have a game plan. You know when you're going to buy or sell, and you know when you're going to get out of that buy and sell position. It's just that easy. So pretty good call. 37.73% into the market in that prediction. That is done. That is over. But I want to show you all this, okay? Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the horizontal line that reflected that the market in yearn.finance has bottomed so far. Okay, I'm gonna take this all the way back to when the market in yearn.finance first started its trading on this exchange, Binance. Now we're going all the way back to August of 2020. Yeah, so it's been about 2 years that the price in yearn.finance has not been trading around $5,000. 2 years. That's the bottom so far. Now let's get back into this. Let me zoom back in because I want us to keep watch of this area. Okay, I might bring it up just a tad higher. Now we understand, as long as the price in yearn.finance trades above this horizontal line, which I've just created, we're going to look for price at best to do this. It's just going to continue to consolidate in the market until it's ready to break out, or it's going to do this, continue to consolidate, and it's going to break down. Those are the only options we really have on the price chart. Now, one thing that we saw yesterday was this. Really want to talk about what happened yesterday into the market in yearn.finance. Now, what in the world happened yesterday? We need to talk about it. Why? Well, because look at all the volume that came in yesterday. Somebody participated. Somebody with a whole lot of yearn came into the market, and it looked like they tried to sell. It looked like the market is not ready to break $8,000 to the upside. All that volume has restricted the progressional upward move of yearn. So what does it mean? It means that we shouldn't be buying the market yet. We need to wait. We need to wait to see if the market's going to grab some support around 6,000. Because if that's the case, if the buyers come in at $6,000, then guess what? We know that we need to be buying there. So right now it's kind of like a wait and see opportunity, because on this move down, like the market is down already 6.71%, we need to see how low the market is going to go on all of this weakness, on all of the selling that happened yesterday. Okay, so that's the lid. $7,800, $8,000 is the current lid in the market in yearn.finance. See, you don't have to come in and actually rush in and say, oh, do I need to come in and buy it now? I'm telling you already, you want to wait, because we want to see how low the market is going to go off of all the selling that occurred just yesterday. Now you can also use this as a barometer right here to see if the market in yearn.finance is going to bounce off of this trend line. You can do that, right? You can do that, which would possibly bring us to around 6,000, maybe $6,050. I definitely don't want to see the market go no lower than 5,500 in order for us to have opportunity to break 8,000 to the upside. I definitely don't want to see the market break that no lower than 5,500. Okay, but currently I'm looking at the ability of yearn.finance going up. It's still there. It's just taking a pause. It's just taking a break. This is it on the monthly, right? We got to pay attention to the amount of volume that comes in, because when volume shows up, we need to be paying attention because somebody is doing something. They're moving. Like when money moves, you need to be paying attention, and money moves off of volume. Okay. That's how you're able to know that it's on the move, that it's going somewhere, that we're going to go to a different place, to a different price level. We're seeing the volume this month or this week. Okay. So are we out the woods yet? No, we're not out the woods, because we still got to break $8,000 to the upside in yearn finance. Now I'm still looking forward to that happening, to their occurring, but it might be a while. We might, like I told you earlier, we might just consolidate for a couple of trading days, a couple of weeks, and then eventually, once all of that selling that is occurring right now in yearn finance, we'll be able to see, hey, now it's really looking like we're about to break out, like we're about to break above $8,000. But since I don't cover yearn finance on a day-to-day basis, I'm trying to give you all a heads up now. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this on the 3-day chart, because I'm definitely looking for the market to go up. But the timing is where the problem is, because like I said, we got to let all that volume play out. We got to see how low the market in yearn finance is about to move. So let's see this on a 3-hour chart, because you guys can see a little bit better on a 3-hour. You guys can see how weak the market is. Like, we got it. We understand. The chart is not lying to us. It is what it is. So be prepared to see the market in yearn finance fall possibly to 6,400, 6,000. Definitely no lower than that $5,500 price. So you can play the weakness on an intraday basis. On an hourly basis, yeah, you can play this weakness into the market in yearn finance, because it's definitely weak, and I'm still looking for price to dip lower. But from the daily perspective, this is where I'm going to look for the market to eventually go up. Okay, so let me put this on the chart. Now, if the market breaks below that $5,500, $5,400 level, we need to cut the play. Like, this is not the opportunity for us to actually come in and be massively bullish, because we are definitely still in a downtrend in this market in yearn finance. Okay, or if you're willing to hold the market, play the position for a while, then that $5,500 won't be a problem. Your support level will be all the way down here around 5,000. Okay, if the market breaks that, what, $5,000 price, then we have to consider market going a lot lower. Okay, so we're here. We're going to play our first opportunity to come in and grab the bag to profit from the move is around 8,000 or 7,850. That gives us 18.5% right there. Okay, second area is going to be here around 9,000 or 8,900. That gives us around 34% movement higher. That's how far I'm going to go right now. Okay, because I definitely want to see the buyers continue to confirm that they want to move price up. I really want to see the buyers come in and show us that they bought all of the selling that came in yesterday. Because if they show up and shown us that they've done that, then yeah, we could see a run up of 30-some% easy. That wouldn't even be a problem. Okay, so I'm here. I'm going to play the strength into the market in yearn finance. Go ahead and give me your thoughts, your perception as to where you think the market is about to go, and we'll see which one is right. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.